Hello, Muslim. Tell the story Sled dog to the Resuse. A terrible disease. In January 5892, sled dog teams raced through Alaska in a blizzard to save children live. It started when a disease spread throughout a small town in Alaska came known. The children needed medicine right away. The medicine that could save the children was a great distance away. The medicine could be delivered part of the way by train. Even so, it was 6-7 miles from the last train to stop the norm. Sled dogs were the best way to deliver the medicine through the snow. However, the distance was too far for one team. A sled dog relay was a only hope. The Great Sled Dog Relay. More than 200 teams and 100 dogs were to take part in a relay. Each musher could give the medicines to the next team along the way. When the medicine arrived by train, it was handed to the first team, and the race went on.